Hello everyone. I recently got a query regarding helping with landing page. So first of all, let me show you the query and then my opinion as well. Hi, help with landing page. Hi Ali, I have a small service-based business that I have just started using Google Ads for. I have an okay understanding of setting up and managing accounts as I have another business that I use Google Ads on with excellent results. That's very great, and congratulations for starting up your business. For some reason, I'm not getting any conversion. Tracking is set up and recording, although I'm getting a lot of impressions and clicks. All search terms are relevant, and I have a long list of negatives. I can only think that my landing page is poor. Can someone please look at that and provide any feedback? Thanks. Glazingrepair.uk. So I just opened your website and let me make myself smaller so you guys have a clear idea of the landing page. Okay, so the landing page seems good. You have your number over here. It should be clickable. For the WhatsApp, for the phone number is clickable already. That's good. The email address should also need to be clickable, but all in all it's fine. This seems okay, and you have a logo, best price guaranteed. Okay, this is your request code. Okay, and this is your landing page. Let me scroll down. Okay, you got years of experience. So okay, so the first thing first, whenever there is an issue like this, when you do not get a conversions at all and you feel like your landing page is a concern, so what we do is we do trial tests. For instance, have you try because you said that your conversion tracking is working. For instance, I'm just trying to request a code, so I just wanted to see if it's working fine or not. So this could be a big reason. So you can see it's working fine. So I will also check the below one as well, because the testing of all of these is very important. Okay, for instance, okay, I just want to see if your whole web page is working fine. Okay, so it's all seems fine. Okay, I think that if all in all, if a landing page is an issue, I would also you have already worked a good, and I like your landing page, but a face over here, your brand face or something like that can increase the authenticity over here. So that is what I'm missing. In my opinion, is missing. Your WhatsApp is chat is working, and your phone number is working. So that's a good thing. Apart from this, I believe that up from over here I would have added some case studies or testimonials of a real people and some reviews on how did they feel after using your service. So these helps in enhancing conversions, because people love stories, and I think that the lack of story over here could cause a concern of our poor sales. So my opinion is take that I would do it. So my opinion is I would do it over here. So you can see over here. Okay, another thing you can do over here. I can see your social media pages are not working, so this is actually a decreases your trust when your social media pages are not working. And I think you can have a timer over here to get up a special deal or a discount over here, something with a blinking timer going on right now. For instance, if I open the hosting your uh, you may see around what if I do a claim deal or something. What happens is, what I like about the service is that, just a second, it's a little slow, is that they offer a countdown timer. It's not working right now, but you may have seen websites where have a countdown timer running right now in a backward position, like 4 minutes, 3:59, 3:58, 3:57. Okay, this helps urgency. The people are much more likely. I think that this needs some bolding over here, or this part of the get a fast code today needs some bold attention. So I'm losing interest over here. Authority being recognized, being certified, something like that, like this could be added over here to increase the authenticity. Your social media pages need a reflection over here, and I think over here, I think these could be bold, although they are good, but since because we are not getting conversion, so we need to improve. So I think our background, where you can see the visibility of the font much better, because you are using a light background with a light font, like a white font with a white kind of a background, so it loses your focus. So my suggestion would be to change the font either or change the background, either way, to get it sorted. So the okay, it's not still loading. I don't know what's the issue with them. Maybe some issue over here. So it's loaded right now. I just want to show you guys how a timer works on. So help me do it. Okay, while it gets loaded, let me roast your landing page for further. Okay, all in all it looks good, but also, social media relations are also works well. Plus, do you have a Google business profile or not? Because Google business profile is a lot, and are you getting trustworthy reviews or not? Because nowadays people are looking on those as well, and they can be a crucial reason for why you are better, why you should be opt or not. And because you said that your best price guaranteed high, have you compared yourself with the competitors? So these few answers, can tell you better. So this landing page is not working. Okay, you can see over here, this is the time. You can see around. So this is the timer I wanted to show you. So you can see this is a timer. You can see this can increase the sale. So I think using few of these changes, plus if you can, you should definitely install the heat map. And what happens with the heat map is that it can track where people are leaving your website, or if they are opening other pages, or where they have the most focus on. Plus install a conversion web analytics like stat counter, which can help you to determine if there are any invalid or fake clicks, might be your competitors are clicking on your ads. Plus double check your location could be a reason. You may have targeting, you may be targeting the wrong location, wrong timing, or something may be wrong with your campaign or bidding strategy. So I think apart from the landing page issues, I'm very highly doubtful that you have not got a single lead. So I may need to double check your landing page as well. But these are my opinions as far as your landing page is concerned. I hope you like it. But if anyone needs a detailed audit of their Google Ads campaign, landing page, or if you want us to create your Google Ads campaign, or if you want us to help with Google business profile, SEO, web development, Google Merchant Center, Bing ads, Meta ads, we are a full-fledged digital marketing company. So in case if you want to hire me and my team, you can hire us through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.